Mrs. Slide is a train with a slide. From this we can say that she has a ramp at the front of her, or on the front of her head. From this we can say that we can also play ramps on her because of the slide's design. The musical type is trumpet. CON is a mutant train. From this we can see that CON has 4 pantographs, just like Mrs. Slide, but they're in a different configuration. She also has a coupling system just like Mrs. Slide. The musical type is organ. WL102K is also a mutant train. WL102K is CON's friend. She also has 2 decks, the bottom one and the top one. The musical type is piano.